This is Ellis McPickle. I have with me a brand new M18 Milwaukee Fuel brushless multi-tool. Good size. To put a blade on, we open that lever, undo the screw pin, take it out completely, place on the blade. This is a star lock. We screw that back in, just hand tight. We close the lever, insert a 2 amp hour battery, and then we're rolling. Speed adjuster on the side, LED at the front. This is the only tool, one of the only tools that you can turn on. It's a cutting tool, but it won't cut yourself. So as you can see, finger completely fine, no cut. I wouldn't do that with a jigsaw. Very clean, Milwaukee Fuel.